me show you how we get it outside.
GigEcon here, and I'm gonna make this quick because it is hot. So for anybody who's wondering about the Dlivrd situation that happened, I believe Wednesday, everything's good with Dlivrd. Everything is good with Dlivrd. So this morning I picked up a delivery yesterday. It was $35 and some change. I put the payout right here, the final payout. It's actually a pretty good delivery. I was going to a construction site because I'm assuming close to where my dad lives, they're building a Google facility. So I had to deliver it to a construction site. It wasn't too bad. I went to Carrabba's. I talked to the people there, confirmed the delivery, and then delivered it to the construction site, which wasn't too bad. The directions made it so much easier to get to where I was supposed to go to. I checked in with security. He directed me to where the building was, and then we had to take it over to where they were having their safety meeting, because this was a meal for 10 for the safety crew. So hopefully they're enjoying their lunch if they haven't already had it by now. But man, that was so easy. It was minimal setup. I had a little bit of help with the setup, but it's all good. You know, it's all good. So I'm going to go home, finish getting ready for this weekend, and relax until I have to be at work at 5 tonight. And hopefully I'll be off by 11 so I can get on the road tomorrow to my destination. And Saturday, I don't know when this video is going to come out. I might just edit that video, tomorrow's video, and the other two ride-along videos. I do that at a later date whenever I get to it. But on my way to going out of town tomorrow, I'm going to be picking up deliveries and making a video with this to show y'all that no matter where you're going, you can make some money. So it's an MAF GigEcon here. I just want to share that little update with Dlivrd. And I'll see y'all on this video or live. So I'm gone. Like Mr. Vontae Davis. Love, peace, and hair grease. And I'm gone. Rest in peace, buddy. Peace.
Baltimore playing right now.
Real shit. I don't care about Baltimore.
What up? You care about Dallas?
I don't care about Dallas.
What?
I'm watching them at home. If I was at home right now,
You watching Dallas?
I'll be watching Dallas.
That's a
I'll be watching because they're not on TV.
No, but Baltimore on TV.
I'm not watching Baltimore.
You watching Dallas though?
I'll flip back in between, but my man, they're not doing it.
I would stay home if I was dying.
No, if I got invited to an event, then I could be around people, you know, football fans. But
You got invited to a Dallas event where they punished you last week.
okay. How many times have the Giants punished the Dallas Cowboys when I went 1-15? Okay, and
God damn, you going back that far?
who's the next time they won a Super Bowl? I'm going back that far. Remember when we went 13-3, we beat y'all twice. That was 4 years ago. Come on, man.
When the last time y'all beat us? Just to say that. Just to say that.
4 years ago.
Okay then.
All right then. So
That's the last time y'all beat us, right?
okay, and I'm not mad, and I'm okay with that. Yeah. And I'm not mad. Okay,
Play 2 times a year. Yeah.
right. And I'm not mad.
Well, how many trophies do we got?
One more, what, one more, 2 more.
We got 5. I ain't got no 4, dude. Yeah. John my Rams gave 4. Yeah, I my Rams.
So, I mean, what's wrong with me being in my Cowboys?
You never get an offer.
And y'all gonna get another one?
Shit, yeah.
When? Y'all say
all good.
still in the roof for 25 years. Y'all won one. And I'm gonna bring the 25
One thing we gotta do, we don't gotta worry about y'all stopping from getting one.
I'm broke, yeah. Y'all gotta stop yourselves from getting one.
That's a damn sure.
That's an accident.
Giants can't stop from getting one. Giants will never stop from getting one now.
Okay, well, how many years before you say that?
So what y'all gonna do when Eli go?
Daniel Jones, you gonna take this some time. It's like what Tony Romo left.
Tony Romo left, that won 13 games.
Did he take y'all to
His first year, he won 13 games.
One playoff game.
A rookie. Hey, look. Eli is a veteran, can't get one playoff game right now. He can't get 2 playoff games.
Right now.
Yeah.
You have a veteran in Tony Romo. What did he get you?
He got 2 playoff games.
No Super Bowl?
No Super Bowl.
Tony,
Hey, look. No.
And remember the no catch.
Tony was
Remember the no
undrafted.
catch.
Tony wasn't drafted. Eli was drafted
No catch.
number 1.
No catch. The no catch in
and that was 4.
Fourth round.
Because of Murray. Because of getting rid of Murray.
So I'm saying $50 million.
So, when was Saquon drafted?
First round. He's the best running back in the NFL.
Right now?
Come on.
No.
How many Russell towels does he have? How many Russell towels does your man have?
Hey, how many times has he got?
How many Russell towels does he have?
Right now?
Right now. He's an unstoppable beast. Who's better than him? He just started 2 weeks ago, and he's better than him?
Yes.
Let me tell you.
Feel all of them. That's what I'm trying to tell you now. I'm trying to tell you
You got
now.
a fever. You need to go to the nearest hospital.
No, mine sweat no. Yours stand right there. Yours in your head.
No.
That fever in your fucking head. You talking about is my boy better than Zeke? What have he done is better than Zeke? What have he done is better than Zeke?
How many
Zeke got more yardage last year.
Combined yardage, this man got more yardage. Passing, catching, he got more yardage.
No, not already.
Listen. Name 1 year that Zeke hadn't won the rushing title since he's been in the league.
When he lost the 6 games.
Bet that.
No, he did. I don't think
6 games, he still won it. Bet that.
No, he didn't win it that year.
He didn't win it that year. That's
Who
what
won?
Todd Gurley
I
won
don't
it.
know who did. but
Todd Gurley won
I
it.
think it was.
You won it.
The
No,
year he
Todd
was,
Gurley.
yeah.
Todd Gurley won it.
Zeke won that motherfucker.
No, he
He
didn't.
close. He didn't win it.
No,
No,
not the year he was suspended.
He was
No.
like 2nd or 3rd.
Not the,
Todd Gurley won
but he
it.
still got 2. He still got 2.
Yeah.
Wait.
2 out of 3.
Well, so what does Saquon Barkley have? What does Saquon Barkley have?
Gurley won the game.
2 out of 3. Guess what though? Zeke rookie year, he won it.
Yeah, he did. I'll give you that
Barkley
one.
rookie year, he didn't win it. But you say he better than Zeke.
I think Zeke Elliott won
You
it.
can put the stats right now.
Did Zeke Elliott win it Barkley's rookie year?
Well, you better watch the game because we better score again.
Who's going to score the ball? It won't be Zeke.
Hey, we don't need
You
Zeke
don't
to
think he's gonna score
score.
today?
He should be. If he's the best running back, he should be.
I say you don't think he's gonna score today? I'm asking that you don't.
He should score.
Look at Pink. Look at Pink.
He should score. If you've seen he's the best running, our man already scored a touchdown.
Did you see number 24 chase Barkley down last week?
All I'm saying is,
Did you see 24 chase Barkley down last week?
did he score? Did you see the run? He had 115 yards before the first half.
Hey, look, we in scoring. We in the range right now.
It's y'all feel right now.